fireworks. Here's fireworks.
Bro, you motherfucker, you had that?
What's going on, guys? Vlog number 8. I'm back. We're gonna go 4th of July with Emmanuel.
Hey, it's fucking hot up in this bitch, but don't give a fuck, bro.
Soy como yo soy. Smack the camera.
Soy
como yo soy, no he cambiado, soy el mismo, el que tira.
Yeah, here with Emmanuel. Look at the wildebeest.
As you can see right here, you can see the T-Rex.
The T-Rex with long arms.
Look how much I rated.
With Augustine. Augustine's gloop. Gloop? You know what that is? No. From Willy Wonka.
That is not chocolate. Or coconut. Or walnut. Or peanut butter.
Is that fat guy from Willy Wonka? Oh. Hey, look. With Hyro.
Look how much I made.
God damn, we all that. Look, we all that. This is like his 10th plate. You throw away the other plates. Damn! I'm gonna do those montage. Montage? What are they called? Show us your firework. What's in the trunk?
It's just bombas.
A su madre!
They're all legal, bro.
God, are they really?
Yeah, those all go in this
Hey, so are you?
Fuck you, bitch.
God, this was a whole care package. Show my 1 million subscribers.
So this is the bombas. What the fuck, nigga?
Hey, what's up? Hey, show yours.
What the fuck, nigga?
Hey, look at the.
You gonna pop those?
Look at the whip. Look at the whip. Damn, Augustine. Wait, oh, your license plate, bro. I show your license plate. Doesn't matter. Look, hey, I'm gonna do those things. Hey, we'll do those things. Popping fireworks with the homie Augustine. Augustus Gloop.
Augustus Gloop, the great bakery in nincompoop.
Oh, this is on fire. Oh no!
Shit!
Hey,
Ah, me quemó esa
mira,
madre.
gafe.
Mira, güey, me quemó.
Agustín, what? Hey, never look back on an explosion.
Bro, look. Oh, that shit burned me.
Hey, everyone join Cloud9.
Hey.
Cloud9 on
Instagram.
Instagram.
You kiss it?
Hi.
Están locos los compas de acá, un compa.
We got a new camera, guys. You know what I'm
Hey,
saying?
bro, but anyways, bro, hey, subscribe to HDLR, bro, 200 subscribers. I think 200, like 300, some shit like that.
Especially this guy. Look at him. Hey, just cut the stick.
Oh, yeah, just cut it. I know, just put it here. We're gonna test it in the ground, bitch.
Slowing stick.
There's a cop. Fucking run.
He's gonna hit the tree.
They just hold it like this. Pop your pussy like this.
Pop your pussy, don't stop.
No.
I hit it.
Atta
Oh,
boy.
shit. Wait, hold up, cop.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna go everywhere.
Is it?
I feel like it is. You know, remember we threw the other ones?
Yeah, but I want those ones, bro. Here, who's gonna light it? I don't have a lighter.
Emmanuel.
I don't have a lighter either.
I'm scared. I'm gonna hide behind your car.
You cover it. Cover it with the molly.
What the fuck? Cover your car covering me? This one took a knee. This one's dumb as fuck.
Bro, how the fuck? Hey, wait.
Ah!
Oh, that's the line of the car.
Let's get on in Emmanuel. Emmanuel, hurry!
Oh,
Emmanuel! Where'd it go? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What kind of shit was that?
What kind of fuckery is that?
Hey, what kind of fires do you have? Look, Emmanuel's all big. Looks like a pterodactyl.
Oh shit!
Emmanuel! Hey. Oh my god! Hey, what's
Look,
up?
they have all, oh, no, never mind.
Oh shit! What if it like moves over here? Like, psych!
Oh shit! What the fuck?
What are the guns? I don't understand.
Hey, interview.
Hey, bro,
What do
honestly,
you think about this review?
honestly,
Interview.
bro, these are fucking rip.
I don't trust him. Oh, he's not gonna do it.
Please want me to do it like that?
Yeah, do it.
On the next one. Oh, me quemó todo. Oh, chingado. Me quemó otra vez, no.
Nice cock. Hey, what's up, then, pussy?
Nice cock.
This fool has a whole mazapán. What the? Dude, you got hella bottle rockets. God damn. What is this? Oh, that's a skateboard. I'm like, what the? Hey, put it in your butthole. Hey, put it in your butthole. Oh, shit, bro.
Better not move.
Oh, don't move, don't move.
Turn away. Look at me. Look at me. There you go.
I thought it was gonna be bigger. I thought it was gonna be bigger.
What the fuck? How the fuck is one bigger than the other one?
Dude, that's you and me. You're bigger than me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What? What the fuck? You just complimented him. Look at the stick, bro. Look at the stick.
Oh, fuck.
Imagine you're gonna die tonight. Hey,
All of them
you're a
now.
What the
man.
fuck, man?
Hey, you're a man now.
All
Hey,
of them?
hey, drink from the
Hell
cup.
nah.
Hey, drink from the cup now.
Hell no, dog. Hell no.
I know you're about to show you.
Hey, drink.
no,
Hey,
bro,
drink from the
hell
cup.
no.
Drink from the cup. Drink some water.
I was about to drink with a fucking.
Do it. Do it.
No, nigga, did you scare me?
Oh, hey, we'll be behind you.
It's on. It's on.
We'll be. Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. Hey, it's fine.
You put it again.
A few moments later.
Aquí andamos y no nos vamos. First one.
Quote of the day. Aquí andamos y no nos vamos porque ya llegamos. Watch out, bitch. A su madre. What a waste. Yeah. Hey, what a waste. Mira. Hey, be like those Pinterest girls. Those girls that take pictures with fireworks. ASMR.
These are ones that are wax, so it don't matter though.
Hey, these are the Walmart ones, so fuck it. It doesn't matter.
We prefer be safe than be unsafe.
We prefer to light up legal ones. No, farther. That shit's gonna burn.
Nah, it's not that bad. Oh shit.
I think you're supposed to take it out of the box. Hey, it's good.
Oh fuck. Freaking pull apart.
Nice. Hey, jump, you won't. Hey.
It's a party in the USA.
Yes, sir. That's upside down. Is it?
No.
Oh no. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Da-da-na-na. Da-da-na-dun-dun. Da-da-na-na.
How the fuck are you recording me doing this? Oh fuck.
A few inches later.
Cover your hand on the that way.
6.5 hours later.
What?
2,000 years later.
5 hours later.
Oh, verga, no prende esta verga. Oh, there you go. I was like, what the fuck?
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do that. God damn. Right here lighting up
Hey,
fireworks.
bro, happy birthday, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Espérate, porque nos están
Ay,
viendo.
güey, estoy quemado. Hay un carro.
Un carro.
Is it coming?
No, he's coming. No, he's not.
Me quemó.
I jumped through a pipe and I almost fucking died.
Jump over this one.
I jumped through that firework and it started popping.
What's going on?
Like right as I jumped, I just started.
What happened, bro? What happened?
I'll do it.
Here, you do it.
Here, look.
Aaron, what's
Aaron, interview.
So I tried to jump over firework, which you shouldn't do because some dumbasses do it.
Oh shit! Hey, is that a ghost?
What? A ghost?
A ghost? A ghost! A dead ghost!
What is that? What is that TikTok? What is that?
Oh fuck!
Go, leave it. It's gonna blow.
Oh fuck that shit, bro!
Daddy, chill. Hey, Daddy, chill.
Jitsu.
Aw, I thought it was gonna blow up.
You ready?
Go, jump over it.
Fireproof.
What the fuck?
You guys ready?
Go.
I'll try this at home. Egg trooper. You ready?
Go. Alright guys, boy Hugh here. I'm still on the same video, but I'm sorry guys. Hope you guys like that video. This is like the ending of the video. Look, alright, so this is how you guys.
You don't give a fuck, honestly, but just continue.
Alright, this is how you guys. This is how you take a good selfie for girls. Alright, look, you see? Get your camera on Snapchat. Don't go to normal camera.
Hey,
Go to Snapchat, right? Go to Snapchat.
that's my phone on the way.
Alright, look. And then you put the flash.
Alright, flash.
And then that's it. Don't put the grid, don't put the timer, don't put multi-side, don't put any of this. And there you go.
Alright.
There you go. And then look, you see that? Wait. You have to choose a filter. Look, see the Sims. Look. You see all those like manchas on my face and all that? Look, to get those away. Look right here. Look right there. Look at the camera right here. You have to put this filter, the second filter that pops up right here. And then you send it, and then you have to caption it. I'm caption it like "Don Piranga at your service." Look, you have to caption it exactly like that. Don Piranga at your service. You have to caption it exactly like that. Alright, guys, face the camera at me now. Alright, then you click right here. Then you click send. You click send to like any girl.
What?
And that's it. That's it, guys. That's all you get. That's how you get a girl. Oh, you hear that? You're texting me. Look, see? That's it, guys.
Bro, you actually got a message, bro.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video.
This fool got a message when he took the picture on my phone because the girls already know that he's hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
Sing a song, bro. Sing a song.
Which one, bro?
Any song.
Con un vasito en la mano. Ah, it's like that.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Alright, guys, this is the end of the vlog. Get in here. This is the end of the vlog, guys.
Yes.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. What should they comment? Comment down below video ideas for the next vlog.
No, hold on. Hey, no, comment what you guys
eat today. Comment what you guys ate today.
and comment what you guys want us to eat next vlog.
Yeah,
and we'll do it.
Comment down your social security number, your phone number, your date of birth, your birth certificate, and that's it. Hey. Kiki, do you love me?
Mustangcito pa pasear.
What the? I thought you let me in. You